Welcome back again. September 1st is back to school, at least here in northern Belgium. But for me, it's a long-awaited orchid unboxing from MSB Orchideen in Germany. The order had been placed a while ago, but because Miss Meyer wasn't mobile after an accident and the enormous heat we had this summer, shipping of the plants was postponed on a mutual decision. But here it finally is. A few new orchids and a replacement for one I lost. Our weather is still warm and dry, so I could film the unboxing outside. The plants were packed very well. And this is what I've gotten. First, two Leptotes tenuis, a wonderful miniature to add to the Leptotes collection. A Cattleya rex was offered to me, and of course I couldn't resist. This one will be a replacement for one I've lost. The root growth seems very fine on it. Two young Cattleya nobilior, variety alba. The leaf color is very different on both plants, so one of them could easily be a standard nobilior. I won't mind, cause both plants are welcome. They are from a Brazil import earlier this year. A primary cross between Cattleya warscewiczii and Cattleya rex. These are nice, well-grown young plants. And lastly, a replacement for another lost plant. Cattleya Pittiae crossed with Cattleya schilleriana. I just love the flowers on it. And again, it seems a nice and well-grown plant. Finally, a new small haul after our long and very hot, dry summer. With the temperatures back under 26 degrees centigrade now, I can finally do more orchid and bonsai work. So stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching and until next time.